Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use your American Airline miles. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any important steps. So the first thing you want to do is to head over to the American Airlines website, and in order to actually use our American Airlines miles, what we want to do is go up to the top right corner where it says search, and we just want to type in redeem miles and then click enter. And the top result should be this one that says Redeem Miles, A Advantage Program. Now, when we click on that, we'll be brought to this page here, and we'll be able to see all the places in which we can spend our miles. So, for example, we can book flights over here with our miles, we can upgrade on our flights with miles, we can reserve the best seats in the main cabin, and we can do a whole bunch of other stuff. So, I recommend you actually read through this page yourself, and just figure out what you're going to spend your miles on, because I recommend taking your time with it so that you don't rush into something that you don't really need. So for this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use your American Airlines miles for flights. So for a flight, you'll have to come over to this section here, and then we simply click Book Now. Now from here, we want to make sure this is ticked at the top where it says Redeem Miles, because if it is not ticked, this will not work. Now from here, we can just input all of these details, and then when we're ready, we can click Search. And from here, it will show us all of the flights that we can actually book with miles. So from here, we want to choose whichever one suits us best. So just take your time to look through here and pick the best one. Once you've chosen your flight, you can then choose where you want to sit. So we simply click on whichever one we want, and then you just want to choose your return flight. And then once you've chosen that, as we can see, the total will be 188,500 miles. Now it's important to note that you will have to be logged into your account with the miles on for this to work, or unfortunately this will not work because they have no way of verifying your miles if you're not logged into your account. So when you are logged in, you can go ahead and click continue, and then you can finish off booking your flight. Once you've done that, you will have successfully used your American Airline miles. So that's exactly how you can use your American Airline miles. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.